Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel /root.in. Today we are going to learn how to install and set up Ubuntu inside your virtual machine. So we are going to download and install latest Ubuntu 22. Not only download, we are also going to set up those important tasks after the installation, like how to set up the root user, how to log in with the root user, how to install the command for nmap, how to update your repository. Okay, so also install some important tools which are required for every cyber security learner. Let's see. First of all, you need to go to the Google and download Ubuntu. You can just Google Ubuntu, it's free. So you just type Ubuntu 22 and you will get to the official website. Go to the official website, and once you go to the official website, you can see this option Ubuntu 22.04, and just in front of this you can see the download link. Just click on the download link and you will download the Ubuntu ISO file. I have already downloaded the ISO file, so I'm not going to download it again. Now once you download this, download complete, just go to the new, open the VirtualBox, go to the new. Okay guys, and if you are new to this VirtualBox, you have no idea about the VirtualBox, I have already uploaded a video how to install and set up VirtualBox in your Windows machine. Okay, now just type Ubuntu 22 and I am giving its my name, suppose Satish. Okay, now Ubuntu Linux, type is Linux, version will be 64-bit. Click on next. RAM allotment, I have total 16 GB RAM. Out of 16 GB I am allotting 4 GB to my Linux machine, virtual Linux machine. Okay, then click on next, create, next. Now 10 GB is not enough, okay, for this Linux, give it at least 30 GB. So I have given 30 GB. Then click on create, then go to settings, make some changes, go to system, remove the floppy, make hard disk first bootable device. Okay, so hard disk at the top and then optical. Then go to storage, click on empty, go to the right hand side, you can see the CD logo, just click on that logo, select the first option, then click on add, then select your ISO file, Ubuntu ISO file, okay, where you have downloaded. So you can see Ubuntu ISO 22 version, selected this, then click on choose, then go to network, in place of NAT select the bridge adapter. Okay, then click on OK. That's all the settings you need to do. Now you can start the installation. Just click on the start button and installation begin. Now I am going to make it full screen. Just go to view and then go to scale mode and then maximize it. Now you can see the 4 options. Try or install Ubuntu safe graphics, OEM install, test memory. You have to select the first option, okay, not the last option but the first option, and press enter. Installation started, so just wait for a few seconds. It's taking the graphics memory. Actually it's loading the graphics. Okay, now the graphics has been loaded. Now you will see the option to install or test, means just you want to try it or you want to install it. So you can see 2 options, try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. Here you have to select install Ubuntu, so select install Ubuntu, then click on continue. Here you can see normal installation and minimal installation. You have to select normal installation. Then other option, you have to select download updates, install Ubuntu and install third-party apps. This select it, okay, don't select it, otherwise it will take little more time during installation. You can do this after installation. So just click on continue now. Now install now. Click on install now, click on continue. By default it will select your location, so you don't need to select your location. Kolkata is my location. Then click on continue. Now give your username. Suppose I'm giving here Satish. Okay, Satish is my username. Choose a password. I am choosing the password, suppose red hat. Require my password to login. Okay, click on continue. Done. And now it's copying the file, and it will after that it will install the file. So just wait. After installation, what we are going to do, we are going to install some important tools which is required for every cybersecurity expert. Copy has been done. Installing the system. If you want this to minimize like this, you can do watch in this mode also. Don't skip, you have to wait while this package has been installed. Installation is about to complete. Okay, installation completed. Now click on restart now. So it will restart your operating system. Okay, here you have to press enter. If you don't press enter, it will keep moving and moving like this. Okay, so just press enter. Don't forget to press enter, otherwise it will not boot. And here login password which you have mentioned during the installation, red hat. Type the password and we log in. Now we log in with the first time. Just click on skip, next, done. Now right click, and the first thing you have to do is set your display setting. So go to display setting and go to resolution and set the resolution according to your requirement. So I have set it to keep changes. Okay, now this will be my resolution. It worked perfect for me. Now right click again, click on open terminal, maximize the terminal, zoom it. You can go here and from here you can zoom it. If you want to zoom your terminal, you can zoom from here. Okay, now I'm going to give password for the root user. The command for that is sudo passwd root. Then the password for Satish is red hat. Now it's asking the password for user root. I am also giving root password red hat. Done. Now right now I am login with which user? You can see who am I command. I am login with Satish user. Now I am going to login with root user. So switch user using su dash and then the username root. It's asking for installing updates. Okay, let's update install. So just type here su dash root, press enter, and the password for root red hat. And now you are logging with root user. How you verify? You just type who am I and you will see root is login. Now you can clear this screen after just installing everything. Okay, everything perfect, fine. And you can also see you got this software updater. So it's downloading actually all the updated package for your actually the updates for your Ubuntu machine. Okay, so you just, if your good internet speed allow you to download, okay, let it complete the download. Okay, now we have already opened this terminal. You can see the terminal. This is the terminal. Now you can see pwd, present working directory. This is root because I am logging with root user, so my present working directory will be by default /root. If you want to see all the software package installed, the important package which is installed inside your system, you just go left hand side bottom and you can see these 9 dots. Click on these 9 dots. These are applications. Just click here, and if you click here you will see the list of application. Okay, out of this the important one is this one, system monitor. So just click on system monitor, and once you click on system monitor it will open something like this. Then click on resources, and this is the best thing to monitor your resources on Linux machine. You can see your CPU usage, memory usage, okay, network usage, everything here. Now close this one. Now again go to this one, and again here you can see your system monitor, your terminal, and all these things. These are the tools. You can see software updater. From here you can update all your software. Okay, so this is the place from where you can update your software. Now these are the list of softwares which are already installed inside your system. Out of this the most important one is system monitor, and after that the settings. So you can go to settings. From settings you can see the network. So the network is by default enabled. You can set up the network proxy if you want. You can change the display if you want. It's all depend on you. Okay, you can create online accounts. You can connect your Ubuntu with any of your account for synchronization. Okay, so you can also use the keyboard, mouse. You can change this scrolling mouse speed, all these things, everything possible here if you want to configure. So if you want to make any changes in your system Ubuntu machine, you have to go to settings, and from here you can change your settings. You can also change your appearance like themes, okay, and the size of the font and the desktop icons. You can change from here. If you don't want to do this, you can simply close this and done. Now once you go to the terminal, what you need to do, we need to download and install certain important package actually. Okay, and that one is for performance monitoring tool. That is up install. The name of the package is conky. So you can install. So by default it's not working right now. The reason is we are already updating some packages here. So you can see I am already downloading and updating some softwares. So I have to wait until this updation completed. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds. Once this update will be complete, I will show you another updates. Don't skip the video. I am going to include everything inside the same video. Okay, all the basics including the IP address and the command for IP address, all these things inside the same video. Okay, you can see the update has been completed and it's asking for restart. I will select restart later because I don't want to restart right now. Now you can run the command, but before running this command, just type update. You need to update the repository. Okay, now you can install install conky y for yes. In this way you can install any packages. Then you need to install another software network monitoring tool, that is nmap y. Then after this you need to install the third software, that is net tools. So install net tools. If you install this tool, if config command will come to your system. Now you can check your IP address. If config command is used to check your IP address, 192.168.29.22. This is our IP address. So you can clearly see the IP address. This is our IP address. Okay. Now if you want to see that conky tool, you can use that conky tool by just going to the left hand side bottom, show application, and in the application search for conky, and here you conky. So it will display you all the RAM and the process and the disk speed or everything live. Okay, so how much RAM, how much processor, how much disk uses, and which process is taking more of your CPU. You will see everything in detail here and live. That's why we set up all these things. Okay, now let's come. Now if you want to install graphics, if you are installing your Linux machine, Ubuntu Linux machine in your system, and your system has a graphics card, so how install your graphics card detail? First of all, you have to find which graphic driver you need. So you just type here Ubuntu drivers and then devices. Press enter. It will list you. So it's telling that by default you already installed Open VM Tools desktop, that is the driver installed for your Ubuntu Linux machine through the virtualization. But if you want to install the updated driver and you want to look for the updated driver for your graphics card, you just type this command Ubuntu drivers auto install. This command will automatically search on internet for your drivers for your hardware and install it. So I just press it and it says that all the available drivers are already installed, so you don't need to install, everything is already installed. Now it's okay, your Ubuntu machine is ready for work. You have the root user, everything working perfectly fine. And the next topic I will include will be the how to install and set up intrusion detection system inside your Ubuntu Linux machine, IDS. So that we'll learn in the next tutorial. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like my videos, don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, so see you in the next class. Thank you for watching.